Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to make this UI design of a full website. Firstly, you have to open up Canva website and then you have to go to elements and then you have to choose this rounded corner rectangle and change its color and adjust it. The color I have used, I'm gonna give it FF into the description. Now you have to go to this option and then increase its corner rounding. You have to go to uploads, and so I have used this JPG of a burger in this video. You can get it from my description. So you have to add a heading and you have to write the name of your food or the burger. So I'm gonna write this try our new and now I'm gonna unbold it. Now add another heading and you have to write the name and flavor of your food. So I have written this cheesy hamburger. I'm gonna choose one of them and I'm gonna change its color to red. And I'm gonna choose the next and I'm gonna change its color to orange. And now I'm gonna adjust it besides this burger and I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Now add the content and the body of the website design and change its alignment. You have to decrease its size. Go to elements and add another square and make it smaller like this. It is going to be corner rounded and you have to add this order now text into it. Decrease its size and change its color. You have to place it in between a shape. You have to add another square and you have to decrease its size and then place it right above this corner. You have to add a little bit of body. You have to change the text color and then you have to go to elements and write Facebook. And this Facebook icon is the one you have to choose. Change this color to orange and place it right bottom of the page and website design. Then you have to write Twitter and you have to choose the Twitter icon from here. Now you have to change its color to orange. Now you have to write YouTube and you have to choose a YouTube icon from here. And you have to change its color to orange. Now what you have to do is adjust them equally so that it may look nice. Firstly, you have to group them and then you have to decrease or increase their size like I have done so that they are perfectly fit and all of their size is equal. That's it. Canva also provides the center middle grids so you can use them as well. Next, you have to add a heading where you're gonna write the price of the food. Now you have to go to elements and add another box. And then you have to place it right on this orange square and you have to duplicate it and change its color to red. Now in elements, go and search arrow and you have to go to graphics and choose this arrow. Change its color to white and decrease its size and place it right on these smaller rectangles of red color. Then flip them horizontally. Next, you have to duplicate it and then flip it horizontally. Now you have to enter the body and it is going to be our home button and change its color to white. Now place it right here and then you have to add another body and right here you're gonna write search, change its color to white. Now what you're gonna write is discover, change its color to white as well. Place them side by side. So now what you have to do is select this home and you have to place it onto this white place and you have to change this color to orange. Now place search a little bit towards the left. Now we can also add the icons. From elements, you're gonna write home and there will be a home icon right here. You have to change its color to orange and then you have to place it right next to where you have written this home word. Next, you have to go to element and search. Yep. Now you have to choose this icon and change its color to white and place it next to this search button. That's it. Now I'm gonna do some adjustments. I'm gonna add a circle and I will going to duplicate it about 3 times. And I'm gonna change its color to orange. This is gonna show what window they have opened. So right now they're on window number 2. You can change the color of the opened window, the currently opened window to red. So this is our final results and it looks pretty cool. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Also like the video.